I'm actually going to the market, but I feel a little bit hungry, but I don't want to eat anything heavy, so I decided to come buy myself some smoothie. Okay, this is where they do exercise. People come here to exercise. Okay, so there are some women that sells smoothie, like healthy smoothie. So I just want to buy for myself and have it instead of eating rice or anything like that this early morning. So sometimes you have to be intentional. Okay, so you guys, I'm going to show you. This is the smoothie, you guys. What is it called? Madam, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Please, yes.
I know you came out.
Yes. I want to buy a smoothie. Which one do you have?
The avocado you normally buy.
Okay, you have the avocado I buy.
Banana.
Banana and what inside?
This one is dark chocolate.
The banana and dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate and cashew. You don't eat cashew?
No, I eat cashew, but that combination won't it purge?
No. It's really nice.
I need something to hold my belly.
Yes, it does. It does.
Hi, chocolate. Me and chocolate know they work at the same
It's
restaurant.
chocolate.
Okay, let me have this, the avocado that I usually buy at bed. So, I'll be on track. This one. So this is what I'm buying, you guys, okay? So I always buy this one most times when I come here. So I'm still going to buy the bag. Alright, let me have straw. How much is this? Alright, let me have straw.
Once the money drop, I'll be able to. Okay, 1882. Yeah. Then you have 64. You're giving it from November.
This is what I'm going to have for breakfast, maybe. Alright, thank you. He's fine. Thank you so much. So, you guys, I bought this. This is what I'm having for breakfast. Okay, those times I used to come here and exercise. This is what I usually have for breakfast after exercising. Okay, lollipops, I'm here at the market and I want to make 2 soups, one stew and one soup. I want to actually make banga soup, but I'm not really so sure yet because I like to buy my extracts from any supermarket, so I'll go and check. Madam, good morning. I'm very well, thank you. How are you doing? Send me well to yours. Thank you. Where is this guy selling onions? Now you? Okay, I want onions. Give me 1,000 naira on. Sell away for me, yeah? If like market never open where I come early, ba? Yes, I can see. I said 1,000 naira. Oh no.
That's what I do for you.
No. It's small. It's small, I beg.
See this one at 2,000.
No. If my customer.
That's what I do for you.
No. Put onions for me, I beg. Me, I know.
Nah.
Me, I no come cry for you this early morning.
I know we cry. I do it, man.
Yes.
You do it.
Huh?
When you work cost, back in 100,000, one time like this.
Are you serious? Thank you. Good morning.
Rice and beans there. You go buy?
No, I don't want beans, I guess. I don't want rice, I guess. Thank you, yeah?
Okay.
Bye. Good morning. Good morning. I want tomato today.
Okay.
Yeah. So, let me start. I'm making a video.
Okay.
Yeah. So tomato is how much today?
113.
Which one? This big one?
This one is 13. This one is 28.
Wow.
This one is 45.
Okay, that big one there is 4.5.
Yeah.
Then this one is 1.3. This one 2.8. How much last will you sell for?
This one last price is 2.5. This one is 2,000. 1.2.
Okay. But you said this 2 is bigger than one of these, but?
Yeah.
No, but you give me this one 1.1. So I'll be buying three bowls today.
Okay.
Oh, that's what I bought the last time now.
Yeah.
So you give me 3 bowls.
I'll put it together.
Yes, no, together. I'm blending them. You don't have a shombo and tatashe?
No.
Wow. Oh yeah, give me pepper. Pepper 500 naira. I keep buying bags.
Yeah, that is 4.6.
Okay.
Plus this 200, that is 4.8.
This, okay. Here you go. Alright. You guys, I've dropped my tomato. Hello, madam. Good morning. Good morning. I want to buy ginger and garlic.
How much?
How much is?
Oh, 50.
This one is how much?
Oh, this 100.
Wow, this one is 150.
Yeah.
Hey, one will not be enough. Okay, I'm taking these two. Then you give me ginger.
Ginger, how much?
200 naira. Guys, I'm here. I want to buy a Morocco. Yeah, good morning.
Okay.
Yes, because I want a Morocco. Hey guys, I'm buying a Morocco. 500. Okay, that one is 1,000 naira.
Yes.
I think I'll take this too. Okay, give me two. Give me two. Then you give me party jollof sachet tomato. Good morning. Yes, please, do you have that banga stick, the blended one? Alright, let me have it. Then let me have bread tete. Excuse me. Thank you. This is the blended stick. Let me see. 100 Arab. Give me two. You guys, you should try this out instead of buying the. Okay, this is the tin, right? This is the banga stick, okay? But instead of buying this one, try this one. You love it. Then give me bread tete. No, give me one more. Alright, then give me yam flour. One is how much? 100. Just give me extra one. Let me have it at home. So you guys, I'm buying this sauce for my banga soup. I'll buy my banga extract in any supermarket, okay? Alright, try it for me. To buy gari. Madam, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. I want to buy gari.
Okay.
About 3. Okay. This is the big one. Okay, this one is the big one. The big one we're going to. Then this small one is how much? Okay, you guys, I'm buying these 2 brooms. One big one and one small one. This one is for my son. Then this one is for my daughter. Okay, you guys, I just arrived at the supermarket and I'm going inside to shop some stuff now. I've tried, but like you know, I like to buy my needs here. Good morning, madam. Yep. Thank you. So you guys are going to buy my. So this is the banga extra that I'm buying. Please, how can I need banga extras. Good morning, madam. Yes. Alright, so that's the banga extra that I'm buying, you guys. This banga is very nice. Like extract is very nice. And I pray to be able to do this kind of extracts one day from my palm tree. So what is that much again? The big one.
17.
All right, let me have 3. Thank you. Yep. So that's the extract. Okay, I'm using these 3. I want chicken, and I'm buying chicken here. The extract is really nice. Okay, when I say really nice, and I intend to do something like this in the future. Not so much in the future, very soon, from my farm. Okay, so but for now, let's focus on what I'm buying. Share them into 2. So yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So you pour this one separately. You pour this one, we tie it separately. Then you pour the other one, we tie it separately. Thank you. Payment has been made and thank you. Thanks. Oh boy. I'm trying everything. Oh my god. Alright. Good morning. I'm very well, thank you. Bye. Okay guys, I'm done now. I'm going to where I'm packed. Yeah, thank you so much. If you watched up till this time, thank you so much. God bless you for supporting, and please don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Please people should support me. Let me grow on YouTube. The hustle is not easy. Support me, let me grow. This is everything I bought today now. Okay, thank you so much for your support. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and you guys, bye bye.